Hello everyone. Are you curious about how scientists keep track of penguin populations? Let's explore. Penguins are iconic seabirds that inhabit various regions of the southern hemisphere, including Antarctica, the subantarctic islands, and parts of South America, Africa, and Australia. These charismatic birds are highly adapted to life in the ocean, where they are renowned for their expert swimming abilities and distinctive waddling gait on land. With their striking black and white plumage and comical antics, penguins have captured the imagination of people around the world and have become symbols of the Antarctic wilderness and the challenges of climate change and conservation. As key indicators of the health of marine ecosystems, penguins play a crucial role in scientific research and conservation efforts aimed at understanding and protecting the fragile environments they inhabit. Monitoring penguin populations is essential for assessing the impact of environmental changes, human activities, and other factors on their survival and well-being. To accomplish this task, scientists employ a variety of methods and techniques to track penguin numbers, behavior, and distribution across their range. One of the most common methods used to monitor penguin populations is direct observation and counting of birds at breeding colonies and foraging sites. Researchers visit penguin colonies during the breeding season when birds are most active and visible, using binoculars, spotting scopes, and cameras to survey the area and document the number of nests, adults, chicks, and eggs present. These visual surveys provide valuable information on population size, breeding success, and habitat use, allowing scientists to assess the health and status of penguin populations over time. In addition to visual surveys, scientists also use satellite imagery and remote sensing technology to monitor penguin colonies from space. High-resolution satellite images can capture detailed views of penguin colonies and their surroundings, allowing researchers to estimate population sizes, identify changes in colony size and distribution, and track habitat trends over large spatial scales. Remote sensing data can also be used to study penguin behavior, such as foraging patterns, migration routes, and interactions with the environment, providing insights into the ecological dynamics of penguin populations and their responses to environmental change. Another important tool for monitoring penguin populations is the use of automated monitoring systems, such as time-lapse cameras, acoustic recorders, and GPS tracking devices. Time-lapse cameras placed near penguin colonies can capture images of nesting activity, chick growth, and colony dynamics over extended periods, providing researchers with detailed information on breeding behavior and reproductive success. Acoustic recorders can monitor penguin vocalizations and other sounds emitted by birds, helping scientists to study communication patterns, colony behavior, and environmental conditions in the vicinity of colonies. GPS tracking devices attached to individual penguins can track their movements and behavior at sea, providing valuable data on foraging habits, migration routes, and habitat use in relation to oceanographic features and prey availability. Genetic analysis is another powerful tool used by scientists to study penguin populations and their genetic diversity, relatedness, and population structure. By collecting DNA samples from penguins at different breeding colonies and analyzing their genetic makeup, researchers can gain insights into population dynamics, gene flow, and evolutionary relationships among different penguin species and populations. Genetic data can also be used to identify individuals, track their movements, and assess their reproductive success, providing valuable information for conservation management and population monitoring efforts. Climate change is one of the most significant threats facing penguin populations today, as rising temperatures, melting sea ice, and changing ocean conditions disrupt their habitat and food sources. To understand the impact of climate change on penguins, scientists use a combination of field observations, remote sensing, and modeling techniques to study how environmental changes affect penguin behavior, distribution, and population dynamics. By integrating data from different sources and scales, researchers can identify trends, patterns, and drivers of change in penguin populations and develop strategies for mitigating the effects of climate change on these iconic seabirds. In conclusion, monitoring penguin populations is essential for understanding the health and resilience of these charismatic birds and the ecosystems they inhabit. By employing a variety of methods and techniques, including direct observation, satellite imagery, remote sensing, automated monitoring systems, genetic analysis, and modeling, scientists can track penguin numbers, behavior, and distribution across their range and assess the impact of environmental changes, human activities, and other factors on their survival and well-being. Through collaborative research and conservation efforts, We can work together to protect penguin populations and ensure a sustainable future for these iconic seabirds and the ecosystems they call home. The goal of this channel is to answer all the questions in the world in video format. After we achieve it, when you search for anything on internet, you will be able to watch a video answering your question instead of reading an article. However, if we want to achieve our goal of answering 1 million questions, we need your help. Please support us on Patreon by using the link in the description. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, follow the channel for more related content, and see you later. Goodbye.